Oh, kid.
What is that?
Two.
A sheep?
Oh,
Two?
two.
Two. There's a sheep.
Oh, two.
What does the sheep say?
Kid.
Sheep says. What's the sheep say?
Two.
Oh, okay. That's not what the sheep says, but all right.
Two.
Nah.
Two. Two.
Bad. There we go.
Oh, two. Oh, two.
Yeah? Did you? Bah. There's the lamb, says Bah. There's the lamb.
I'll tell her.
Oh, stop!
Well, I'll tell her. We're out at the pumpkin patch right now.
Oh, cheese!
Hold on, big girl.
Oh, cheese!
Oh, see what?
Oh, cheese!
That's. Oh, she sees the little girls.
Oh, cheese! Cheese!
See what?
Cheese! It's a dog!
This one's fading.
I know.
Like literally.
Yeah.